Hey everyone, welcome back to Misk Travel Guide, where your next great adventure begins. If you're planning your next big trip and Asia is on your radar, you're in for a treat. Today we're taking you on a quick journey through 10 of the best places to visit in Asia. From stunning beaches to ancient cities, this is your ultimate travel checklist. Let's dive in. A tropical island famous for its powdery white sands and turquoise waters. From vibrant nightlife at White Beach to serene sunsets at Puka Shell Beach, Boracay is a slice of paradise in the heart of Southeast Asia. Taipei is a vibrant mix of skyscrapers, night markets, and hot springs. Enjoy Taipei 101's epic views, explore bustling Shilin night market, and take a day trip to Jufin's mountain village. A peaceful UNESCO World Heritage City, where Buddhist temples, French colonial charm, and breathtaking waterfalls like Guangxi offer a serene escape. Home to the Taj Mahal, one of the world's greatest architectural wonders, Agra also offers a deeper look into Mughal splendor with sites like Agra Fort and Mehtab Bagh along the Yamuna River. Hanoi's charming old quarter offers rich culture and street food, while Ha Long Bay's limestone casts create a breathtaking natural seascape perfect for cruising. A high-energy metropolis where K-pop culture blends with royal palaces. From the tranquil beauty of Bukchon Hanok village to the tech buzz of Gangnam, Seoul balances history and trend with effortless grace. A futuristic city where nature meets innovation. Wander through the futuristic gardens by the bay, savor Michelin-starred hawker food, and experience the luxury of Marina Bay sands in this sleek yet soulful city-state. A vibrant mix of golden temples, chaotic street markets, and modern skyscrapers. Visit the Grand Palace, cruise the Khao Phraya River, and indulge in world-class street food. Tropical paradise of lush jungles, sacred temples, and breathtaking beaches. Whether you're surfing in Uluwatu, exploring Ubud's rice terraces, or relaxing in Seminyak, Bali is pure magic. Step into a living museum of Japan's imperial past. Kyoto dazzles with its timeless beauty. Think ancient temples, golden pavilions, peaceful Zen gardens, and traditional geisha districts. In spring, cherry blossoms create a dreamlike atmosphere across the city's many shrines. So, which of these amazing Asian destinations is going on your travel list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this list, give this video a like, subscribe to Misk Travel Guide, and hit the bell so you never miss a travel update. Until next time, keep exploring.